It's been nearly 1 year since I painted this. And I can remember it like it was yesterday. It was almost in the same spot as... So as I'm walking on the path I've walked 1,000 times now, I see random things, and every single day there's something different. Every single day can surprise you. Some days you don't see much because you're just not open enough. But other times things just appear out of thin air. Look at that. Look at this thing behind me. Somebody just left this here. I'll take that home. Thank you very much. I love skulls. Doesn't quite fit. Let's go. What a present! I think there's a message here, and the message is exactly that. Present. As in, be more present. Peace.